Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Tell me how you are doing in the comment section. Today I'll come up with a new video of a oil pastel regarding oil pastel drawing of a Radha Krishna, and it is a divine love on canvas. Radha Krishna swing oil pastel drawing tutorial. I hope you all love it. This artistic journey where spirituality meets creativity. In this oil pastel drawing tutorial titled Divine Live on Canvas, Radha Krishna Swing will dwell into the enchanting world of divine love portrayed on canvas. Our canvas will be adorned with a backdrop of transition from a suddenly dark blue to a tranquil light blue, followed by deeper shades of dark blue and black, accented by delicate touches of light yellow and passionate red. Through this 13 minutes video tutorial, I'll meticulously crafted the mesmerizing background, setting the serene ambience that befits the eternal love of Radha and Krishna. With careful strokes and thoughtful blending, will create an eternal atmosphere, preparing the perfect stage for the divine couple. Then gently sketch the figure of Radha and Krishna, ensuring their posture and expressions convey the depth of their eternal connection. Utilizing vibrant oil pastels, we are infuse life into their divine forms, blending colors to achieve a harmonious and spiritual portrayal. Moreover, will intricately detail the swing that supports Radha and Krishna, nestled amidst carefully drawn tree on both sides. This detailed setting will add depth and charm, enchanting the overall portrayal of their divine love. This is the overall outline of this her picture, and we'll get into a step-by-step procedure. Before moving to video, I have a small request. This is my new channel. Please subscribe and share. Let's dive into video. Thus, first of all, we have to create a elegant background creation. Started by preparation the canvas with a dark blue base. The paper you have to use is ivory paper, and it would very useful to blend colors. Oil pastel smoothly. It gives a smooth texture also, and adding gradually adding a light blue color followed with dark blue and then black. A light blue from the top, transition to darker shades towards the bottom, introduce black for depth and blend it into the lower portion also. And choose colors with a variant shades of green for the leaves and brown for the trunks and branches also. Shadow paint. Being with a clean and smooth surface such as paper or canvas suitable for oil pastel work, consider using a heavier weight paper or a surface pre-made for oil pastels to prevent wrapping and excessive absorption. I prefer ivory sheet. And first of all, color selection. Choose the color you want for your background. I use it if you aim for a sky or nature scene, select blue, green, L, or any hues that suit your envisioned settings. And I choose blue, darker blue, and followed by black. And then layering colors. Apply the lighter color first as a base layer for a sky. Start with lighter shades of blue or yellow. If it's a landscape, use lighter greens or yellows for grass or foliage. And gradually layer and additional colors on top and blend it properly. Then coming to the blending and texture, blending the colors smoothly to eliminate visible strokes. Use your fingers or blending stump or a tissue or whatever to blend colors together, achieve a softer transition between shades. To create texture or efforts, try scratching into the pastel with a pointer tool or using a dry brush to create a subtle patterns or textures. And we have to build a layers. Continue layering colors, gradually moving from lighter to darker shades as needed. This builds depth and richness in the background. Use darker colors strategically for shadows or to define specific elements in the background, such as um, mountain shape or cloudy atmosphere or whatever the portrait demands the texture. And detailing and highlighting. Add details or highlights using lighter or contrasting colors to bring out specific elements in the background, such as a distant cloud, sunlight hitting surface, or foliage texture. And blend it properly. Then coming to the Radha Krishna sketching, first prepare your canvas to build a perfect Radha Krishna posture on a swing and position Radha seated gracefully with Krishna beside her, portraying an affectionate movement. First of all, outline the sketch the basic shapes for their bodies, keeping proportions and postures in mind. Highlight Radha's following attire and Krishna's divine attire. Facial features. Carefully sketch the facial features with delicate strokes. Highlight Radha's serene expression and Krishna's affectionate gaze, emphasizing their eyes, lips, and the contours of their face. And coming to detail and adornments, and add finer details such as jewelry, ornaments, and accessories specific to Radha and Krishna traditional attire. Pay attention to intricate elements like necklace, earrings, peacock feathers, and floral motifs. And hair and crown. Draw Radha's hair cascading gracefully and Krishna's hair adorned with the peacock feathers, sketching their respective crowns or headpieces, adding elegance to their appearance. Hands and gestures. Sketch their hands in a natural and expressive manner. Radha might have a gentle hand gesture, while Krishna may be depicted in a loving posture with a float. And finally, finishing touches review the sketch for any necessary adjustments in proportion, details, and symmetry. Ensure the figures convey the divine essence and the emotions you intend to portray. And so, after finishing the sketch, you have to blend it properly. You have to use this. You have to use the. After finishing the Radha Krishna sketch, you have you have to blend it properly. You have to use 6B or 8B pencil must. And coming to the backdrop of this oil pastel, mm, choose the color. Select various shades of green for the leaves and brown for the trunks and branches. And considering blending different greens to create depth and realism. And trunk and branches, start by sketching the trunk of the tree using a dark brown oil pastel. Draw a vertical line for the main trunk and smaller lines branching out of our limbs, and gradually add thickness to the trunk by layering and blending lighter browns for highlights and darker brown for shadows. Then foliage. Use different shades of green to create the foliage. Apply the lighter green pastels in a circular motion to depict clusters and leaves. Layer darker greens strategically, emphasizing shadows and depth within the foliage. Vary the pressure and strokes to create the texture and dimension. And details, add texture and definitely to the tree by lightly blending the lines of strokes with a darker shade of green or brown to represent the details of leaves or bark. Consider adding highlights with a lighter shade of green and or yellow to depict sunlight hitting leaves. For background and foreground, white, drawing multiple trees, creating depth by making distant trees lighter and less detailed. Gradually increase the detail and darkness for trees closer to the foreground. And blending and smudging, blending colors gently using your fingers or blending stump or tissue to achieve a smooth transition between shades and to soften harsh lines. And that's for trees. And coming back to the swing and surrounding, elaborate on drawing the swing, intricate design and support by trees on both sides. Add details to the surrounding, enhance the visual depth of artwork. And and you have to recap the steps properly, and you have done it. Uh, that's all. No. Will then gently sketch the figure of Radha Krishna. Joiners, moreover, will indicate the details that support Radha Krishna, Radha and Krishna. Nestled amidst carefully drawn trees on both sides. This detailed setting will add depth and charm, enchanting the overall portrayal of the divine love. I hope you all are love it. Join us on this artistic expedition as we guide you through each step, sharing insights and techniques to capture the essence of Radha Krishna's eternal bond on canvas. Let your creativity soar as we embark on this journey of devotion and artistic expression together. Get ready to witness the beauty of divine love come alive on canvas. Don't forget to comment if you have any questions. Please do let me know in the comment section also. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, follow for more.